All right, this is stock number 50492, which is a Bridgeport Series 2 4 horsepower milling machine. It has quill feed, power feed to the knee, power feed cross and longitudinal.
Yeah, DRO, yeah, we're looking at it. Want to go through some controls up here? Want to walk around first? We got the DRO front and center, so I can right away move the saddle a little bit here. And you can see that working. That's a nice Accurate. It's one of the newer ones. I like this one. It's big numbers for me. That's that one. Let me get over by the table here. And while I'm at it, you can show the movement too. I mean, these are the spring-loaded handles, but this guy moves for the smaller increments or the big hand wheel here. But if I go slow, you can kind of pick it up on there. It goes to tenths, which is, 4 places past the decimal. It's a nice scale. Same thing with this. This has the latching handle on it. Otherwise, it'll just spin, of course. So, and yeah, same difference for the front dial here. This is the engagement clutch for the table. This is for cross feed. Again, here's manual for cross feed. Again, you got to get these things in here. There we go. It's pretty nice though, in good shape.
Let's show the ways while we're here.
Oh, you want to? I can probably dial back a little bit. See a little bit of that. Yeah. Sure. Not a lot of light here, but yeah. If you want to kind of move in on that, it's not bad. Kind of wipe it off a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, because
here, yeah, that one's wiped off.
Let's wipe this one.
Got some oil up on there, so looks like streaking, but there we go.
Yeah, it's better. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much it up front. Got the standard quill lock up here. Power feed for the quill right over here. That all works, so we'll flip that on in a minute when we go through the controls. Got the quill handle here. I'm going to come down with the quill if you want to get a closer look at the quill here. Come on up. That's full down. Counterbalance spring works okay. It just kind of freezes it right there. That's all in a pretty nice shape there, Pete. So. And go back up with that. It's not bad. It works like it's supposed to. And that's all standard. Dial up for the head up there for the vary discs, high, low. We're presently in low. That's pretty much it up front, E-stop. And the hand crank for the vertical. So here's vertical. I think I've got this one. I haven't even tried this one. I don't know if it's got the washer back. I was using the power feed, but it's fine. It's fine. All the locks are off, so we don't have to worry about jamming anything up. That's good. That's good. Again, table handle on the side, coming around. I mentioned the power feed, there's the clutch handle. We'll fire that up in a minute. That's fully adjustable. And then down low, I guess that's all on your website, but all the tooling's there. Accurate book, a lot of Erickson collets here, all kinds of good stuff.
I think there's two layers down there, but maybe
no, it's just that. It's just that.
Just a layer.
Yeah, some building blocks, heads, adjustable boring heads, several of them, I think, wrenches, all kinds of good stuff. On that guy, that's nice too. So that, and here's the main power feed. I'm not using it. I got it tucked back here. I just got my temporary cord coming in here. 220 volts. Again, all standard Bridgeport gear. Just the Dayton drive for the power end, for the power feed. Big ass transformer. There's some schematics down the door there, electrical drawings, which are nice to have. And that's about it. Let's fire it up.
Okay.
Rapid traverse motors down low. Okay. And yeah, it's all standard stuff. And yes, so spindle. Let's just start off. We're in low. I should be able to get this right off. Let's switch over for rotation. Make sure I get right hand. I'm about midstream right now. Go down a little bit. Oh, that's up. I'm sorry. Up is down here. That's almost full up. Which is about 300 RPM. Get this out of the way. There we go. Go down low. There's mid-range. 180, 190. Yeah, 120. It's pretty good. And I can do the same thing left hand. Brake. I think we got a brake. Yeah, there it is. Brake. Switch it over. Go the other way. There's nothing in here, so I don't want to go backwards on high speed, but at low speed I don't mind. Sounds about the same. And then I'll jump right into high, so I'm going to leave that there because that'll be the right rotation for high. So we get this in, lock that guy in. Again, where are we at? Yeah, we're on the low end of the high range. Let's fire that up. Right hand. Puts us around 1100. Sounds nice. Lock is off. Here we go. I don't know what I want to play with here. 14, 15. It's a nice running spin though. 2000. 26. 3,000. Give me that 3,000. It sounds nice. Back to 1,000. Shut it off once, reverse. I'll try it at 1,000. I think we're tight enough here. Yeah, we should be all right. Flip it over, reverse. Sounds good. You go back down a little bit lower. Now play with the power feed here once, quill. Go back on. And did I switch it? I think I did. Yeah. So we get down here. Put this guy on. Actually, just so you can hear it, I don't need this. Spindle runs fine. I can just bring in the power feed without the spindle. Same idea. You can kind of hear things happening. So this is anywhere right now and down. Hear the motor come on. No clutch yet, just motor. You can just hear the motor up and down. 50%, down to about 20. That's all off that Dayton drive back there, I believe. Now at 50, I'm just going to bring the clutch in. Again, it's fully adjustable, but it seems to be just right about where I'd want it. You can kind of see the handle moving. You can barely see the quill moving. That's at 50%. These things don't go real quick. Down to 30. That's a lot of speed if you're coming straight down with a mill. We'll come up a little bit. There's 50, 60. Now these switches are up in here for the override, if I remember right. They're not like the little guys, small Bridgeports. 70. Yeah. And off. We'll leave the clutch engaged. And then for what it's worth, nobody used it, but we can go up. Power feed up, I guess. Back down to 50. And no load, shut that off. And on, and no load. No load, no clutch. Got it back on again. That's good. It all works. That works fine. Off, off. What else? Oh, we want to play with feeds. That's right. So we're in position on the knee right now. Let's leave it on knee. Knee is here. Knee is up, down, off. I'm not really great with the switch. Off should be in the middle, but it works. There's down. Kind of watch things going on over here. And the same dial still for table and knee, but I'm going to slow it down. I'm going down right now. This all works really nice. Speed it up a little bit. And rapid, here's rapid. All right, shut that off. And go to up. Slow it down. That's a lot of weight on this thing. Works pretty good. If they're ever going to fail, they're going to fail on the upside for the knee coming up. This sounds really good. That's about 30% there. That's about 40% feeding up, see? I'm almost at 12 o'clock with my little pointer, if you can see it. I'm going to hit rapid from here, going up. We got a little bit of room here still. Like I said, you can see it and hear it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. I didn't see it. I knew. We're missing the washer. Let me get that off there. We're still feeding up. Leave this up here. And slow it down. Oh well, there we go, that works nice. And off. And we switch over to table and we get everything else. Which is of course, table and X. So we can bring this guy in, same pot. How much room we got back here? Let's go the other way first.
Let me get that DRO in this too.
Well, I can probably bring it a little bit, but yeah, wind away is my...
No, you're good. I got it. I got it.
Yeah, this one's got a little latch up. It's got a little bit more delicate. The other side is good. Again, to speed that up. That's about, 50%, 40%. Moving right along. I'll slow it down, I'll speed it up. Because usually here's more of a working speed right about here if you got a big ass mill on there, yeah. Sure. Just walking right along. And then reverse, same lever. Gotta get the latch up here, there we go. And go back the other way, I'm gonna wrap it, kind of watch it. Full out. Yep. And let me reverse out the other. I don't know how much room we got back there, but I'm gonna go this way for a minute. Let me come back up under the spindle, and then we'll do the table. Yeah, there we go. Right about there. Shut this off on the clutch. And bring it on the table, which is of course right here. We already did this guy, so we can, we're free. So there's that dial. And again, I can wrap it up on this direction. I think the dogs are out of the way. That's these big guys down here, so we got room to play. And that's this whole bar down here, see? Right through the gearbox, all the way across the table. Slowing down. I'll go slow once. Real slow, real slow. There we go, just kind of really creeping slow, which sometimes you like to do with these if you look at the dial now. So I mean, just if you want a real nice slow cut, this one's calibrated pretty good. I can really drop it off. I'm barely moving that thing, so there. And of course, go the other way. Come back, same speed. I'm gonna dial up on the dial to about 50%, 40, like so. And from that area, I can hit rapid one more time. Center it up. It works. It just works. And the rest is just all table lock. And shut that off here. Like I said, that's all without spindle. Spindle, and then right back on with spindle. At 1,000. Pull back up. Let it coast to a stop, no brake. We're done here.